Hey family, and welcome back to Everything's Major. On today's menu, we're making comfort food to a whole new level with this delicious couple. They recently got married. Yep, steak, mac and cheese. This combo is pure magic. So let's make it major. For where two or more are gathered in my name, there am I with them. Matthew 18:20. Everything's major. Everything's major. Everything's major. First, let's start with our creamy and cheesy mac and cheese. In this mac and cheese, we're going to be using smoked Gouda cheese, sharp cheddar cheese, mild cheddar cheese, and mozzarella cheese. We're also going to use some shredded triple cheddar blend. Now let's begin grating our Gouda cheese, our cheddar cheese, our mozzarella cheese. Now since we have our cheese nice and shredded, we're going to start boiling our noodles in some chicken broth. Now our noodles are done. Ooh wee, the steam feels so good. Now add about a tablespoon of butter to our warm noodles. Now I'm not making a roux for this mac and cheese. I'm just gonna put everything in this pot, mix it together, put it in our baking pan and put it in the oven. It's gonna be so quick and simple and easy, okay? I already added some salt and pepper. Now I'm gonna add in some garlic powder. Next, we're going to add 4 ounces of Philadelphia cream cheese to our noodles. Now I'm going to add in that triple cheddar blend. Now we're going to add in some mild cheddar cheese, Gouda cheese, and mozzarella cheese. Now it's time to add in some moisture. We're going to add in 8 ounces of sour cream, 1 cup of whole milk, and a half a cup to a cup of heavy cream. Now mix everything together until you get this nice consistency. It should look something like this. Now grab your baking sheet. I'm using a glass baking dish and spray generously your cooking spray all over. Make sure to get those corners. Now add in your mac and cheese to your dish. Now, I usually layer my mac and cheese, but for some odd reason, I didn't do it today. I think I was extra greedy and just hungry. But please layer your mac and cheese. Now, family, it's time to bring everything together. We're going to top it with some cheddar cheese and some mozzarella cheese. I topped it with sharp cheddar cheese at that. Then grab some Italian breadcrumbs. We're going to sprinkle a little bit of breadcrumbs on top along with some sweet paprika. It's going to make it nice and bubbly and brown, just like me. Now we're going to pop this baby in the oven on 350 for 20 minutes. Now while that's baking, let's cook our ribeye steak. Now I season this steak with some kosher salt, coarse black pepper, onion and garlic powder, ground thyme, and dried thyme. Now once your skillet is hot, we're going to add in some olive oil and some butter, and we're going to saute some onions to add some extra flavor to our steak. Now we're going to add our juicy steak into the skillet. We're going to sear our steak for about 4 minutes on each side until it's nice and brown and golden. Once you have that beautifully brown golden crust, we're going to flip it over and repeat the other side. Oh, this smells so good. Our steak is done. It's beautifully golden brown and it smells just divine. I wish you guys can smell this. It smells so good. Now cook your steak until your desired doneness. I like my steak medium well, but cook it however you like. Okay, family, our mac and cheese is done. It smells so good and it's beautifully golden brown on top, just the way I like it. That sweet paprika, it just makes everything come together so beautifully. Okay, our food is ready, family, so let's plate everything up. I'm just gonna dive into this creamy mac and cheese. All right, and here's our plate. I cut up the steak into little bitty cube shape and just put it right on top of our mac and cheese. So now we have the married couple steak mac and cheese. It's so delicious and yummy and golden brown, and cheesy. You're going to love every bite. It's like a symphony in your mouth. We have our tender steak with our creamy mac and cheese on top. It's just a beautiful bliss. Okay, family, I'm ready to eat, but I know you're going to enjoy this ultimate comfort food, steak mac and cheese. So ditch Uber Eats tonight and try this recipe. I promise you, you won't regret it. And please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video with all your family and friends, and hit that notification bell, okay? So you can be in tune for more delicious recipes like this one. I will see you again real soon, family, next time on Everything's Major. It's time to eat now, so God bless you. Bye. Thank you guys for watching, and please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my new YouTube channel. Take care and God bless. And everything you do, make sure it's major. Everything's major. Everything's major. Everything's major.